In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default currency on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're diving into the crypto market or simply tracking your investments, customizing your currency settings can streamline your experience. In just a few simple steps, we'll make sure you see your preferred currency across the site. First things first, let's head over to CoinMarketCap by typing coinmarketcap.com into your web browser's address bar. You'll land on their homepage, which is the hub of all your cryptocurrency information. Take a moment to get acquainted with the site if this is your first visit. You'll see a vast array of live market data, including price charts and a list of hundreds of cryptocurrencies currently available in the market. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate your profile settings. Take a look at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a small round icon that looks like a profile picture. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu presents various options for personalizing your CoinMarketCap account. Our focus today is on setting the right currency. In the drop-down menu, look for an option that says currency or something similar. Selecting this will allow you to change the currency settings for your account. Now, you'll be able to choose from a comprehensive list of different global currencies. Whether you're most familiar with the US dollar, euro, British pound, or even something more specialized, there's likely an option available for you. When you find your currency of choice, go ahead and click it to set it as your default. This means that from now on, every time you browse through CoinMarketCap, all the prices and market data will be displayed in your selected currency. This adjustment helps eliminate the need for constant conversions and makes it easier to quickly assess the value of the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Once you've selected your desired currency, you're all set. CoinMarketCap will automatically save this preference and display it whenever you're logged in. It's quite a straightforward process, but it's incredibly useful, especially if you frequently check on different coins or are actively trading. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your default currency on CoinMarketCap. This small tweak can go a long way in making your crypto tracking journey smoother and more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.